Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I just wanted to take a moment and talk to you guys about my 100 subscribers celebration video coming up next week. This is the official announcement for that video, so be sure to look out for that. It will be a live premiere. This Porsche right here is the grand prize. There's going to be other prizes. I don't know exactly what they are. You'll have to tune into the video to find out and see how to win them. As I just announced, we're going to have a build off with Ron at Somo Diecast on April 24th. I think this car this week is going to be my weekly build. It's actually Sunday morning right now, so the St. Patrick's Day build coming out on Wednesday. I have to get that car finished, and between today and tomorrow, basically, on Wednesday we will have a new arrivals video slash what's in the case. Actually, I think we'll do two separate videos. I think I have enough of the new arrivals to do one video by itself, and then we're going to do the first of a new series titled What's in the Case. Also, I've been having an idea for how to include you guys more in what I'm doing, and so there'll be another video out today to explain that, if I can get it out. If I can't get it out today, it will be in the next few days. And pretty much the idea is that I've had is I'm going to take 3 cars and I'm going to put them up for a vote for one of you guys. So you guys can decide one of the cars every month that is a weekly build. And I'll go over the details in that video, exactly what that's going to be. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Consider it. I really appreciate it. Click that like button. I love seeing all those likes. Leave a comment down below so I know who you are and I can come and check out what you got going on if you're a YouTuber, and you know, we can have some interaction that way. I love seeing all the comments you guys leave. This Porsche build is blowing my mind for the number of comments on that video. You guys are fantastic. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. And thank you to the community for accepting me in and making me part of who you are. Yeah. I forget where it was. Ring the bell for notifications. And as always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.